Okay, change of mind. I'm having meatballs. I just happen to have probably the best meatball recipe ever. And so what I wanted to do was use up my half a piece of homemade bread. So I toasted my bread and made my own breadcrumbs. And I will fry the meatballs, and I'll probably just use canned gravy this time. Okay, you guys. Now we just want a few meatballs. I bought this ground beef at 99 cents only. I bought it before and I found it to be good. And then, I had half a package of this ground meat. I buy it at 99 cents only, and I find it to be good. And 1 egg, because I'm just making a small batch. So this is going to be really easy, and this is going to taste good with my homemade bread. I'm not putting any cheese in my meatballs. In the day, I'm wondering if they did this to really stretch their meat, by putting this bread in you could add as much bread as you like if you have leftover bread. My bread doesn't really get stale because I keep it in the freezer. What I do, and somebody asked, is when my freezer starts getting really packed, that means time to eat. Okay, and then this is why for things like this you need milk. You don't want to run out of two things, milk and eggs. I never really thought about it. If you don't have much money, I'd say the thing to do would be find a place that sells the meat and the eggs and the cheese. So I got a really good deal on cheese at Aldi's. Somebody said that Aldi's is really going to change my life. It probably will. I'll probably go check in up there. Okay, and then I'm going to season my meatballs with garlic salt, chives, because we don't like tasting too many chives, and some black pepper. I need to mix this really good. And so this is meatballs, and I'll post the recipe on Twitter.